all the soap up while it's still in the suds mode. Because if you can see, the suds is not moving that much. And then just wrap it up. Put the gas. And then you can take the Shammy and go over it. I got this tool here, good for getting on the seats and everything. I'm getting in the car with this dash. And there you go. As you can see, I'm doing the other side of the dash. And the key thing here for you to take note of is that none of the water is running. So as long as you vacuum it back off at a relatively quick time, you can get any dash clean. And that's it for my first video. I hope you like it. Okay, here go the finished product of the dash. As you can see, it gives you a nice clean, a nice feel whenever the customer or yourself touches the dash. And remember, when you're finishing up cleaning your glass, that's when you come back and polish all the little spots like this and all the spots like that. That way, whenever the door opens, it looks brand new. So this is my first video of showing you guys how to clean cars. And I do have a link in my description for solar batteries, you know, in case you're a little small cleanup shop and you said, well, hey, I can run all my energy through this. Go check out my videos. Have a good day. Okay, here's all the tools that I use for doing interiors.